Too much information. People, including celebrities such as K-pop idols, are often asked to share TMIs, but it can have a different meaning depending on where you're from. In English, TMI is an abbreviation for too much information, so people share deeply personal and even embarrassing or disgusting stories. On the other hand, in Korean, TMI is basically used to mean irrelevant or a random incident of one's day. So, international fans are often confused about why idols' TMIs are so simple, considering the phrase's real meaning. While most K-pop idols would be too shy to share a genuinely personal TMI, there are two that don't mind getting into the dirty details of their lives. Recently, Korean-American soloist Jessi guested on GOT7 BamBam's online show BamBam's House, in which he invites celebrities to his home for interviews. BamBam set out a snack of tonghulu for Jessi to try. She hesitated, explaining that she recently suffered from a stomach ache, and she didn't want to have to use BamBam's bathroom, although he insisted it was fine. While Jessi was shy in that moment, she was not shy later. After a while, the two started talking about ideal types. They both prefer non-skinny partners. Jessi explained she likes a buff man, because she wants someone to protect her. Jessi also said she wouldn't mind scratching her boyfriend's back if needed. She showed off her long nails to BamBam, saying, "You know how good it'll be." BamBam: what if one's so buff that one can't scratch one's back by oneself? You have to scratch it for that person. Jessi: I like scratching. That's a love expression. Look at my nails. You know how good it'll be. BamBam wondered, though, just how comfortable long nails are to have. So, he asked her if she ever felt uncomfortable. Jessi disagreed, explaining that it's been like this for 16 years now, so it would be more uncomfortable not to have them. She even finds it easier to do certain tasks by having long nails. Uncomfortable with those nails? Jessi: I've been doing this for 16 years, so without these, I have hard time. Without these, I can't open up the button. BamBam: oh, you can ope. Jessi then shockingly mentioned a question that she often gets asked. How can she wipe herself when she uses the bathroom? Jessi explained that she wipes as generally as anyone. Jessi: I'm so used to having nails this long. That's why people ask me how I wipe off my butt. What do you mean by that? BamBam: but how do you do it? I never thought about it. Yet, Jessi even went so far as demonstrating, using a napkin off the table. BamBam then joined in, replicating the technique. Jessi: think about it. Okay, we go to bathroom. I just wipe it like this. BamBam: like that. Jessi: then do you wipe it off with your nails? BamBam: do you wipe it like that? Finally, the editors cut the conversation short when Jessi continued to go